Number 4 is official Creality Ender 3v2 Neo 3D printer. The official Creality Ender 3v2 Neo 3D printer stands is a professional-grade printer that offers users an efficient and reliable 3D printing experience. The pre-installed assembly requires only 3 steps, making it an ideal choice for beginners and experienced users. The CR Touch Auto Bed Leveling technology is a standout feature, allowing for 16-point automatic leveling to compensate for height differences on the hotbed, ensuring precise printing every time. Additionally, the PC Spring Steel magnetic build plate offers excellent adhesion for filament and allows for easy removal of finished models. The 4.3-inch UI user interface is another notable feature, featuring a model preview function that makes it easy to observe printing progress and shape. The silent motherboard and full metal extruder provide a quiet and efficient printing experience, with greater extrusion force and durability, reducing the risk of nozzle blockage. These features make the Ender 3v2 Neo one of the most reliable and efficient 3D printers for metal printing available. Its unique features and intuitive design make it an ideal choice for individuals seeking to engage in metal printing. Its advanced technology ensures precise and accurate prints every time. If you are interested in the printer, then check out the link in the description box below. Number 5.